If you want to grow your YouTube channel fast, the secret is turning your long-form episodes into a steady stream of shorts. This isn't just about saving time, it's about funneling viewers back to your full videos while dominating the algorithm. Today, I will show you how to do this quickly with the YouTube app, then walk you through some powerful desktop workflows. Finally, I'll share 3 smart strategies to ensure every short you publish actually drives extra views. If you want the quick summary, the goal is simple. Pick the best moments, format them for vertical, and add a clear call to action. The fastest way to start is right on your phone using the YouTube app's built-in tools. Open your video in the app, tap Share, and select Remix to edit directly into a short. You can select 15 or 60 seconds and use the timeline handles to trim your perfect clip. My favorite feature is Layouts, which lets you stack camera angles for interviews automatically. This is perfect for turning wide, static interviews into dynamic vertical content without heavy editing. If you need more control, a desktop workflow is your best bet for handling multiple clips at once. Tools like Descript, CapCut, and Vizard each have their own strengths, so you need to pick the right one. Descript is fantastic if you love working from transcripts and need precise editing control. On the other hand, CapCut is incredibly fast for generating automatic clips, though it feels very TikTok-focused. Then there's Vizard, which bridges the gap by combining editing with scheduling and a content calendar. Vizard automatically finds high engagement moments in your videos, which saves you the manual searching. The real power comes from the auto-schedule feature, which pushes your content across platforms automatically. This keeps your social presence consistent without you having to manually upload files every single day. To use this workflow, simply upload your long video, let the AI suggest candidates, and then pick the winners. Always remember to tweak the captions and ensure your call to action points clearly to the full episode. It is important to remember that no AI is perfect, so always verify that the clips make sense in context. Vizard makes this easier by letting you see the transcript alongside the suggested video snippets. Now let us talk about 3 specific ways to use shorts to drive massive views to your channel. First, repurpose existing content by highlighting surprising stats, punchlines, or cliffhangers. Second, try filming fresh short-form specific content that teases the deeper dive found in your main video. Third, you can remix older videos by adding new commentary or context, which gives your evergreen content a fresh spin. When you are cross-posting, keep a simple guide for UI safe zones so your captions are not covered up. Always add captions since many users watch on mute, and batch your work to save hours of effort. If you want to scale without hiring an editor, combining these tools into one reliable system is the game changer. Stop leaving views on the table by letting your long videos gather digital dust in your library. Pick your best 5 moments from an old video today and schedule them out for the coming week. You will be surprised at how much hidden reach is waiting inside the content you have already created.